It's the first day of Vlogmas and we're starting a new zone, Zone 1, which is the entryway, the front porch, and the dining room. So I'm going to do a quick clean with me here in the entryway, and then I'll get it decorated for Christmas. So come along and Christmas decorate with me in the entryway. But before we get into that, if you're new to my channel, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach women to make wise home, health, and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about making and keeping a home, hit that subscribe button and double tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, let's jump into it. It's day 1, December 1st for Vlogmas, and we always start a new zone at the beginning of a new month. So week 1, zone 1. I use the Fly Lady cleaning system, so that's what I mean by week 1, it's zone 1 on this particular system. And one of the things I'm going to do is I will clean the mirror, and then I will polish the wood, and then I will decorate the mirror, decorate the railing, decorate this table, and I think I have something new to put up there. So let's get it started. Oh, and if you hear a little noise in the background, the hubby and my oldest son are in there watching a ball game. They're watching a big ball game. So if you hear a little cheering or some groans or maybe even a little bit of cussing, they're in there. 2 of my granddaughters were here for the Thanksgiving holiday, and after Thanksgiving, we packed up all of my fall decorations and put them in bins, and my husband put them up in the attic because he said he wasn't getting out the Christmas decor until I had that fall decor taken care of. So that's all packed up and put away, so now I can start working on Christmas. So that's why there's nothing in this area right now, because we removed all of the fall decor already. And I will admit, I have been out and I've done just a teensy-weensy bit of shopping, but I didn't do very much because I knew I already had a lot of stuff and really didn't need very much. So I'll just do my usual cleaning in here, which is the mirrors, the glass, do the floor. And then polish the woodwork, because once I get my decor on, I won't be able to get to it very well. These pictures always get so dusty. I'm really loving the rustic look this Christmas. So look what I found. It's really pretty. I just love the natural pine cones that are on it. The twigs, the pine cones, the little greenery, the frosted flakes, the little birch barks. Not loving the cotton quite so much, but it does make a nice little addition here. So, and I really want to work with the burgundy and the creams, and of course the natural elements this year. So I plan on putting this right along here on my stair railing. So hopefully I can get this on without any problem. We'll see. I've got some brown raffia, which pretty much matches the color of this wood, so I think that should go on without any trouble. I love cardinals. I always have to have one or two or three because, as you know, when there's a cardinal near, there's an angel nearby. So I want to put this cardinal right here. There. It's just a little pick, but it tucks down in there nicely. Now, let me get the wreath for this mirror. See, I'm really working the rustic look with the cinnamon sticks and the bells and the berries and the different things like that. So, and it's going to go right here on the mirror, so let's do that. I like the way it looks right here on the mirror. You can see the mirror behind it and the light reflects off of it. And then kind of you can see the mirror through it. So I'm really liking this. I've got a few berries like this over here. You got your little sticks here with your little twigs and some birch barks here. So I'm really liking this. So I think I'm going to hang this little swag right here on the wall. I think it'll look nice here. It'll give it just a little bit of color, but it also continues to pick up the rustic look that I've got going on over here. So I'm liking that. And I think I'm going to put this lantern back on this table. I find that I do like it here, and it does contribute to the rustic look that I'm aiming for. So I'm just going to put it there, right there in the corner. And I picked this up shopping the other day at Michael's, and I like the bells and the rustic look here, and it complements what's going on here with the wreath and with what's going on up here. So, and I think I'll just put that there like that, and then I've got a candle inside that will light up. And my little flag, which always lives right here, it'll be right there. And I think I just want something sitting there, and maybe just something simple on the shelf. Let's get that. I always like having this pillow right here. And I'm really loving the little red truck this year. I had little red trucks with pumpkins. Now I've got little red truck with Christmas trees in it. And I think I'm going to just set it here like this. I'll just set it right here on the table like that. Then I've got a few picks that have the flocking on it. And I think I'm going to put on this table underneath here. I don't want a lot, just something with a little bit of color. So I've got some more of these little berries that pick up the berries there and in here. And then of course the flocked snow cones. So I'll just kind of set it there like that. it looks like I need to vacuum again. I've dropped pine cone pieces and twine and all kinds of stuff all over here, but I'm thinking this might be enough. Oh, one more piece is missing. Hang on, let me find it. I'll just drape this throw across here like that, just to give it a little bit of coziness. I want to make sure it's not on the floor. There we go. There, perfect. I'm liking this. So I think this area is done. I'll bring you up closer and let you have a better look. So there it is with the lantern lit. Nice and cozy. Well, I have finally got my entryway finished up, at least for now. Who knows, I might add something a little later, but right now I'm going to call this done. And I want to thank you so much for stopping by to watch me as I took on Zone 1 Christmas Decorate With Me, the entryway. And if you like this video, I think you will enjoy my useful DIY paper crafts, Christmas Decorate With Me, where I show you how to create some simple Christmas decor on a very limited budget. And then you might also want to check out my Thanksgiving one-on-one playlist. And I know you're thinking, well, Thanksgiving is over, but yes, it is. But Christmas is coming, and there are foods on that Thanksgiving one-on-one playlist that you just might want to have on your Christmas table, such as how to roast a turkey, how to make candied yams, how to make collard greens, mac and cheese, and other things. And be on the lookout for my homemade cranberry sauce. I love cranberry sauce for Christmas, so be on the lookout for that. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I'm a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about making and keeping a home, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, I'm going to wrap up day 1 of Vlogmas 2019. I'll see you next time.